Welcome to the WoodBridge channel. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss the latest updates. Today we're installing a 60-inch by 32-inch bathtub paired with a 4-piece wall panel set. We strongly recommend having a licensed plumber or professional installer complete the bathtub and wall panel installation. This product is not suggested for DIY installation. If you find any damage or missing parts, please contact WoodBridge customer support right away. Alright, before we start the installation, let's take a look at the tools and materials we need to prepare. Our 60 by 32-inch bathtub requires first checking the frame size to ensure it matches. Verify vertical alignment with a level and square to make sure the wall studs are square, vertical, and straight. If the frame is unlevel or misaligned, reinforce and adjust it with small wooden pieces behind or beside the studs to create a perfectly flat wall surface. A quick note, the upper back panel contains a built-in niche that extends behind the wall. Make sure you've left enough clearance in your framing, otherwise the panel will not fit. Before installing the bathtub, keep these two design details in mind. The edge of the bathtub has 7 grooves, and when the wall panels are installed, the raised bottom edge of the panels will slot into these grooves. This helps stabilize the panels and prevent movement. There are also 5 round holes at the bottom of the bathtub. If you want to slightly raise the bathtub, you can prepare matching support cylinders yourself and insert them into these holes. These are optional and must be prepared separately. Next, do a dry fit to make sure everything aligns properly. After completing the dry fit, we can begin the actual installation. First, install the bathtub drain, which is sold separately. Then set the bathtub into position. If the floor is uneven, apply 1 to 2 inches of mortar or grout to create a stable, level base. Use a level to make sure the tub is even and sits tightly against the framing with no gaps. After that, fill the bathtub with water and perform a leak test. Once you confirm there are no issues, secure the bathtub. After completing the bathtub installation, we can move on to the wall panels. Start with the lower back panel. Make sure the bottom tabs slide fully into the grooves on the bathtub for a secure fit. Next, place the upper back panel and align it cleanly with the lower one. Then, drill holes in the left or right side panels according to your faucet instruction. Install the side panels. Snap the clips into place, secure the wall panels, and tighten the screws. Once the panels are secure, run a continuous bead of 100% silicone sealant along the joint between the tub and the wall. Seal each penetration on the panel surface with 100% silicone to ensure a watertight finish. Your installation is now complete. Thank you for choosing WoodBridge.